Hello students, welcome to my YouTube channel Forcetra. Myself Mudita Bansal. In this video, we are going to solve previous year IBDP paper 1 questions. We will solve 5 questions and the next 5 questions would be in next video. Forcetra, precision learning and powerful results. So contact us for one-to-one tutorials or any doubt solving classes. You can mail me on forcetra.physicss@gmail.com or WhatsApp me on this number. Or to book any session with me, you can scan this and DM me on the WhatsApp. 21st question. A mass attached to a string rotates in gravitational field with a constant period in a vertical plane. Okay, how do the speed of the mass and the tension of the string compared at P and Q? At Q point, the tension is more and the mg is acting downwards, and at the top the tension is less and the mg is also acting in the same direction. So tension at point q is greater than tension at point p, and at point q the velocity would be more because this kinetic energy would be converted to potential energy at point p. So if this velocity is more, then only it would be able to complete the vertical cycle. So velocity at q would be greater at than the velocity at point q. So D is the correct option. Next question, the center of Earth and the Moon are at the distance capital D. So this is Earth and Moon. There is a point X between them where the gravitational field cancel out. The distance from the center of Earth to this X is small d. The mass of the Earth is me and the mass of the Moon is mm. What is correct at X? So at point X, there is a so in the question it is given that at point X the gravitational field is 0. This is because the gravitational field due to Earth, I am representing with E, Earth, EE, and due to Moon, EM, is equal and opposite at point X. That's why it is cancelling each other. So I can write that the gravitational field due to Earth would be equal to the gravitational field due to Moon. So I can write gravitational field is G into mass of Earth upon the distance between Earth and the point, that is small d square, would be equal to the, now the gravitational field at point X due to Moon, it would be capital G mass of Moon upon the distance between them. Distance between them is capital D minus D square of it. It would get cancelled and we get me upon d square is equal to mm upon capital D minus small d whole square of it. So C is the correct option. Let's see the next question. A nucleus of krypton decays to a nucleus of bromine according to the equation. This is the equation. What are Y and Z? Let's see the equation. It is 84 krypton 36 is it is going under beta decay, which is 84 bromine 35 plus Y and Z. So we know that in this atomic mass is 84 and the number of proton is 36, and in bromine, in this is from the krypton, and in bromine as you can see the mass is same but the number of proton is 35. So the number of proton, it means that one of the proton converted to neutron. So when this happens, beta positive decay, in beta positive decay, one positron is ejected. If the proton is converting to neutron, then along with the neutron, a positron would be ejected plus neutrino would be ejected. Neutrino would be ejected. It's a particle and it's the antiparticle. So A is the correct option. Which development in physics constitute a paradigm shift? Paradigm means like the uh, change in the thinking, complete change in the thinking. So it's classification of variables into scalar and vector. No, it is not. The determination of velocity in of light in different media. No. The equivalence of force into ma. No. And the equivalence of mass and energy. So when Einstein gave this law of E is equal to mc square, so it was a great revolution which connects energy to mass. So yes, D is the correct option. A fusion reaction, one nucleon of hydrogen 2 and one nucleon of hydrogen 3 converts to 0.019 unit to energy. A fusion reaction of one nucleus of uranium 235 converts a mass of 0.19 unit to energy. What is the specific energy of this fusion of hydrogen upon specific energy of this fusion of uranium? So in this fusion reaction, H12 is reacting to other one nucleon of hydrogen 3. So it is giving energy of 0.019 u c square, because this is the energy mass into mc square. So this is mass into c square. And in the other reaction, which is a fission reaction, uranium 235 is reacting to give 0.19 u c square of energy. So we have to find the specific energy of this fusion of hydrogen. So to find the specific energy of hydrogen, total energy divided by the number of nucleons. So the total number of the nucleons in the first reaction is 5. It is 3 and 2. So it would be 5, and the energy is 0.019 uc square, and specific energy for the uranium, it would be 0.19 uc square upon 235. And when we are dividing this two, so it would be 0.019 uc square upon 5 into 235 upon 0.19 uc square. So it would get cancelled, and this by 10 and this by 5, so it would be 4. So I am getting around 4.7, which is very close to 5. C is the correct option. Thank you for watching. Like the video, comment it, and subscribe my channel so that you can be updated on the next post. See you in the next video.